Hello, in this video I want to show you how to join Google Classroom on Oppo A16s. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Inside, try to find Google Classroom. Now select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch it. Click on Get Started. Select the account to use for this classroom. Then press on this plus button, join the class, enter the class code in the pool right here and click on Join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.